Hey guys, welcome back to Steve's RC. A little bit of an interesting episode. I got the bug over the winter here, over Christmas. This is a boat that was kind of in the family for a while. This is a 20-year-old Pro Boat Shockwave 55, and I have gone through and completely restored it. It was in beautiful shape. It just had, you know, old rotting fuel lines and old FM receiver and old servos, and so now it has all new high-end stuff. All new fuel lines, all new water lines. I cleaned the tank. It's got a new Bonzi water jacket. It's got new servos. It's got new linkage boots, everything. So hopefully, I know it starts, but hopefully we'll get some good runtime on it. I'm also using the pretty new IXSR with it as well. So without further ado, guys, I'm going to get this thing fired up. And it's a little snowy out here. It's actually 30 degrees today, so not really a boat day at all, but definitely wanted to try this before we take it, and I don't even have a full tank of fuel. So we're going to go ahead and put choke on. We'll go ahead and plug in. I couldn't fit the receiver battery inside the boat, so I've just got it kind of up top here, which is not waterproof at all, but I think for this test run it's going to work good. So just to check everything, go ahead and flick it on. Should come right up. I have disabled AVC on this boat, and there we go, back to normal. Got our throttle. All right, so let's see if we can get a little choke pop here. Yep, and I had just started this about an hour ago, so that's probably why that's ready to go. And also a brand new carb on this, so thanks to the guys at Bonzi for helping me out with all this. So very, very loud boat, obviously. This is a golf course normally, so this would not be allowed, obviously, most of the time. But man, this thing, I remember it when we were younger, this thing was so much fun. And now it's just totally dialed in. Unfortunately, we're really unable to really get going on it. But I have given it a little extra steering as well. You can see almost too much steering, which is good. And this pond's only about 4 feet deep. So hopefully it stays running while we're out here. Looks like the water pump is running as well. For those of you that don't know, this boat has a pulse pump, or a pump that uses the pulse of the motor to drive water through both the water jacket on the head and the exhaust jacket. So you're getting a lot of water through the overall boat. Get it turned up a little bit here. A little too much steering for sure. I'm going to turn down the steering when I get this done. Sounds great though. Looks like there is a golf club in the water over there. That's funny. Yeah, a lot of steering. Probably need to turn down the rudders a lot. Wow, yeah, this thing is awesome. Just as I remember it, but better. And look at that, the idle is like perfect. Water pump is running, nothing to mess with. I mean, couldn't ask for much more than that. So, awesome stuff. This, again, 15 to 20-year-old boat, I think. This was before I joined Horizon, but we had bought this at like a hobby town, and it was awesome for days on the lake. And now we've got this back up and running again. It's definitely something to piss the neighbors off, that's for sure. It's tracking really nice. All right, and I got the kill right here on my radio. Perfect as can be. Guys, well, that was fun. probably about another 15 or 20 hours on this thing to get it fully restored, if you will. And I can't wait to hit it up this summer at Joe Knoll and a few other events. So before this thing floats away, guys, thanks so much for tuning in, and we'll catch you guys on the next one.